watching.
Put that in there. Lucy, you could not be a worse spot. Well, try not to like crease your plant.
This is my bad angle. My bad side?
Okay, now that I'm over here, I have to go.
Ozzy. What'd y'all call him?
Ladies, remember, if anybody is on their monthly, tampons.
I'm about to be.
Do not go on tampons. No toilet. It's a matter of life or death. No toilet for the tampons. Okay.
Got it.
Aye, Captain.
5 bottles. What did I do to you to make you
I've already tried bottles because you're feeling strong enough to fight me and you know it.
I don't know your
Any day of the week. Grab my arm right now. Seriously.
No.
Just grab it. Just grab it. Just grab it.
No.
My
I'm
mom-
not going to provoke you.
Grab her arm.
Let's do it. See what happens. Come on. You know you can take her. You can take her. Come on. You know you can take it.
Pretend you're coming at me. Oh, look at her hand. Oh my god.
Okay, do it again.
Oh my god, I just wander around. There's a man that's behind me. There's a man who's sitting.
Oh, God.
That's everyone almost got you.
Got locked out. Cows just left. Oh my god, it's literally freezing. But we're in South Texas. I don't want to say where exactly we're at, but we're at Sarah Zettler's family's farm this weekend. It's just so fun to have she's house sitting. But it's always fun to have a farm weekend. We always have fun when we're here. So, the cows were just here, but they went away because it's raining. Maybe I'll get the cows later. Maybe we can go look at the chickens later. But, Saturday, we got here last night and just kind of chilled. But we're going to go into town. Maybe drive into San Antonio. And, oh, I need to put my ring on. Watch the basketball game, A&M basketball game. Maybe shop. I don't know. It's really cold and rainy. I'm in the saloon tonight, so let's go. Yeah.
I thought for a second that was her remote, like the remote, and she bought it for the TV, and I was like, how did you?
There might be.
Oh, nice.
Tip off.
Take a bite. It's the crust. Oh my god, look how thick. Nice.
If you put my shot in there, you have to put that.
a heavy drink.
Let me turn off the. Fine. Okay, good. Hold on.
Somebody back at that table is about to be having shots.
Yeah!
Let's see. Let's do Rascal Flatts first.
Oh, you're fine. He said Rascal Flats.
Wait, did he say that?
He said Rascal Flats. He just said Rascal Flats.
There's a little song called I Never Lie.
Yeah!
You don't want to play the rest?
There's about 7 more songs on
There were a lot of songs on that.
I can't believe she picked that.
I knew it.
Wait, I can't believe they didn't pick.
Okay, wait. Do like a. I'm doing it this way for your phone.
I just want to start with a disclaimer. We have never done this song by this artist before. So we're going to give it our best shot. This is for you girls. It's all for you. Y'all screaming it right now. Here's some Taylor Swift for you.
Wait, look, cut to me, cut to me.
I stay out too late. I stay out too late.
That's what people say. That's what people say. On too many dates. That's what people say.
Come on, come on, come on.
Play, 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 play. The haters gonna hate, 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 hate. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it up, I shake it up. I shake it up, I shake it up, I shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up.
That's it. And I listen to them. Happy birthday tonight. Yeah, I'm here at Bar Baby.
I can't even get in. Go.
You got it, Sarah. Sarah, go in full body.
He's not even looking at you, Sarah.
Yeah, he is.
Oh.
He's looking at me.
Sarah, there's a rake thing over there. Do you want me to grab it?
Yeah.